Hey guys, we're playing now. We're playing now of Minecraft survival game. Okay? 3, 2, 1. And I have some friend. It's a girl. It's a puppet clown. She's not speaking now. She's a puppet clown. He's a weird puppet clown. Okay guys? And press that subscribe button.
If you like this video, meron ka dapat.
Why my cell phone is turning off? Okay, I see you, puppet clown.
I am literally inside the house.
Okay, I can see your name.
I have a freaking sword.
Now I have a horse.
Come inside.
I'm inside.
What's inside?
I'm under.
I
No,
mean angry.
where's the puppet clown? Okay, sorry if it's laggy.
I'm gonna get food.
Where are you? I have so many dogs here. I'm wearing armor.
Where?
I'm wearing armor, right?
I have tools and it's...
Hey, go down here.
I won't.
Hey, stupid dog. Move. I'm sorry. Oh,
Eating me.
no. No.
The dog is eating me. Where's the armor?
We have the armor.
I'm giving me armor.
Okay.
Well, I have
Mine is
food.
the up, you is the down.
I get more food.
Here, get it. Come here. I put it. Someone will get it. Faster.
I'm just getting food.
Give me. I'm laggy.
Mine too.
It's not. It's not laggy.
It is.
No.
Face the truth, nigga. Wait.
Wait.
This is just the villager's house. Not survival thing.
I don't have food.
Then go get one.
Give me.
Inside the house. See, I told you. Just the villager's place. There's no survival.
It's so laggy. Can I see yours? No! Why mine is so laggy?
I don't know.
Maybe I can refresh it. No. Come here. I will just put up the brightness.
Naman put up the brightness. Oh, there's something down here.
Wait.
Let's go. Where are you?
Can't move.
Oh my god. Nah, it's nothing.
Wait, are you lying to me?
I am not. There's a spider. Help.
I don't have armor.
It's gonna eat me. It's gonna eat me. The spider is gonna eat me.
Wait.
Your phone is so laggy, while mine is not. And wait.
Where are you? Ano ba yan? Nagbe-video kami.